Hey, this is Shelton and welcome to my video today. In today's video, it's not a better time. This is the time to start your online business. Even if there's a virus or a hurricane or a tornado, it's so important to have an online business if it's full-time, part-time, or even on the weekends. It's so important because I'm going to go over some information that you definitely need to know. So if this is your first time at this channel, go ahead and hit that red subscribe button right below this video. And don't forget to hit that notification bell when I do videos just like this. Now, you know what time it is, and let's talk about it. An online business in 2020 and beyond, even if there's a virus or tornado or a hurricane. Now, I live in Florida and we deal with hurricanes here and there at least once or twice a year. And the biggest thing that I really feel like people really need to have is that they need to have an online business just in case they can go to their jobs, just in case they can go and earn that paycheck. And having an online business really works if there is a coronavirus or even there's something going on in terms of you can't get to your job location. And it's a wake-up call because I talked to two people just a few minutes ago. I'm getting ready to go to the gym, and one of the biggest things they said was they want to have income. What happens if they can't get to their jobs because of the coronavirus, or if there's a hurricane in Florida or anything like that? And I said, you need to have some type of income that's coming into your bank account, or it's coming in for you for your online business. And there's a lot of online business out there that you can start. And you can start by clicking on the link below. Well, go ahead, click on that link. You'll be invited to watch a short video. You'll put your email address in, watch a short video, and go ahead and take action on that video today, because you'll get started at a very low cost and you can begin to learn to build your online business and make money online. And you'll be able to have things coming in just in case there's a virus, just in case there's a hurricane or a tornado, earthquake, or whatever you're living at right now. You're safe from that because you got stuff coming in. It's like a work from home type position, but he's earning money online, your own business. Now, I was talking to two people over there. One person had an online business and the other person did not have an online business. And the person that did not have an online business now is going to sign up for an online business. Why? Because they understanding now the time is now. You don't want to wait. You just don't want to just rely on your job, because what happens if the job lets you go? What happens if the job, it's far away from where your home is and you're not able to get to that job? What happens if they cancel your job and you're not able to work from home from that job? Because now all jobs are work from home, which I believe that most jobs should be these days. But let's say your job is not work from home. How are you going to get to the job? And so why not start now to learn the information? Because you don't want to do it like I did. I used to put everything to a job. I didn't think about starting an online business. I didn't think about passive income, but no one was showing me and teaching me with the importance of it until I found this. So I found the solution because I got tired of that. Not only got tired of my job, but I also got tired of that particular system. So click on the link below for this video for you to go ahead and learn to build your own business online, make money online as well. Click on the link below, like, comment, subscribe to this video message, and I'll see you on the inside. Click on the link below and I'll see you on the inside.